Hello everyone, Happy New Year. It's Rachel here and I hope you had a wonderful holiday season with your family members and your friends. For today's video, we are going to be making some t-shirts. So part of my 2023 New Year's resolution was to go through and just kind of see what I have in my crafting stash. I'm sure like a lot of you, you buy things and then you're like, okay, I'll make a project for this or I'll do this, and then you don't end up using it. So what I want to do for this year is just kind of see what I have, use what I have, and then only really buy things that I really need, for a particular project, so it's really kind of like shopping my craft room. So what I was doing over the last couple days is kind of going through my inventory of t-shirts, and I have quite a few. So for today's video, I'm going to be customizing 4 t-shirts. This particular t-shirt is made out of 100% cotton, and what I'm going to be doing with this particular one is I have gone ahead and cut out this really nice foil rose gold iron-on that I'm going to be placing here on this t-shirt. These other 3 t-shirts here are from Cricut. So these are made out of 95% polyester. So what I'm planning on doing is when you have these type of t-shirts, you need to either use Infusible ink. So I have a design here that I'm actually going to be using for my best friend. I'm going to be making her a t-shirt. So therefore you're going to be basically putting the ink onto the t-shirt. So that's what Infusible ink is all about. I'm also going to be doing a layered effect here. So this is iron-on and also Infusible ink. So I'm going to be placing that onto my t-shirt. And then the last one I'm going to be doing is going to be doing some sublimation. So I don't own a sublimation printer. I would love to get one, but to be quite honest with you, they are quite expensive. And I know you can take certain printers and convert it into sublimation printer, but just because the type of crafter that I am, it's just really for hobbies. I'm not making any money off of it. It doesn't really make any sense for me to invest into one. But I did find a vendor on Etsy where you can purchase sublimation, transfer pieces here. So her prices were pretty reasonable. Some of the pieces I only paid $1 for. Some of them, the transfers, I paid about $3, $4, I think $5 actually was the highest one that I paid for. So I'm going to be using the sublimation here, transfer here, and then I'll be placing it onto my t-shirt. And what's really great is she did also provide the step-by-step guide on how to go ahead and do it onto your shirt. So that's what I'm going to be doing for that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and weed out my designs, and then I'm also going to be getting my Lady P, which I like to call, which is my heat press. I got a really cute pink heat press. So I'm going to get that nice and warm, and then I will get started with putting my designs on my t-shirts. I love how each and every single one of these t-shirts came out. This rose gold foil on the navy blue just looks so stunning, so I can't wait to wear this particular t-shirt. I did get this design from Cricut Design Space. The next t-shirt that I did here is the Infusible ink, the Sublimation. It came out so nice. Love the colors here, and I definitely love the design, so this one came out really nice. The next design here, this is one for one of my best friends. She is a super busy mom of 4 boys. So when I saw this particular design on Cricut Design Space, I thought this would be the perfect design for this t-shirt. So outnumbered mom of boys. And then the last one here is, so again, this was the Infusible ink, and then this one here is a combination of the lips being in the Infusible ink, and then this is iron-on here. This particular design, when I saw this on Etsy, definitely represented me. About 2 years ago, I went through a hair journey where I used to chemically straighten my hair, and I decided to, you know, switch it over to having natural hair. So it took almost 2 years for my hair to fully switch over and actually grow, I should say. So this, you know, design with the, you know, messy bun with the curls and definitely the glasses, because I wear glasses, and the shape of the nose definitely represents me. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, just kind of seeing different ways that you can use different type of material and stuff to do and design different t-shirts. I would love to hear in the comment box below, what is your New Year's resolution when it comes to crafting for 2023. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will catch you on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.